Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how I did my French tip polygel nails, and I like this nail art because the colors that you usually use when you're making a French tip is pink and white. It is similar with baby boomer nails where you do an ombre of pink and white. That is why these nail arts are usually done together, like when the ring finger is a baby boomer nail and the rest of the nails are done French tip because your ring finger is your accent nail. So after buffing my nails, I'm gonna apply base coat. And after that, I'm gonna go get my tips and pick my sizes. After gluing them to my nails, I'm gonna get my nail cutters and trim down the length of the tips. You can also use your nail cutters or scissors to cut the sides so you will do less filing. You will also need to buff the surface of the tips, and you can also do this before shaping them. I'm gonna start with this nude pink polygel, and I'm using this alcohol as my slip solution, and it is very important to have a paper towel next to you so that after you dip your brush in your dappen dish, you can tap off the excess slip solution on the paper towel because you don't want to have too much slip when moving around the polygel because I have read that it can cause lifting. So I'm making a thin layer of this nude pink, and I'm using this brush. I think it is a makeup brush, but I have used it before with polygel and it was good to use, so yeah. I'm sculpting the polygel into an oval shape so that it will serve as like the nail plate, and I've only put a small amount of polygel because I'm focusing first on getting the shape that I want so that after this I can build the nail more easily because I already have the outline of the shape I want to go for. After that, I'm curing it for 60 seconds in my nail lamp, and since it's thin, I'm gonna put a bigger glob of polygel, and doing the same thing as before, I'm gonna pat it down and move it around to build the nail. After all that's done, I'm gonna go get my nail file to crispen up the edges so I can have this nice smile line. I have watched other people do this French tip using forms, like after they sculpt the pink polygel or whatever color they use, it's easier to file because they can remove the nail form and crispen up the edges better, not like when using tips. Obviously you can't remove tips, so you might want to have a nail file that has straight sides, which I think all files do, but like mine it has a curved side, so you might want to file the edges with a straight one because it's easier. I'm gonna get some white polygel and put it on the rest of the nail tip. This polygel was actually clear mixed with white tip powder. If you have watched my previous video where I did my Ariana Grande inspired marbled nails, I'll put the link in the description box below. You can see there that I only used clear polygels and mixed it with the colors that I needed using dip powder. This nail hack, I've only known this recently and I realized it could save you a lot of money only if you already have dip powders with different colors, because you will only need to have clear polygel, which I think it's cheaper compared to colored ones if you buy polygels individually and not in a set. But of course, it's still good to buy polygel sets because there are colors unique to those sets that you don't have on dip powders. But I've seen some other people color their own acrylic with colored chalk. I want to do that to polygel instead of acrylic because, as you might have noticed, I've been using polygels in my recent videos, so I want to try that nail hack with polygel. So turn on my post notifications if you want to see that, see if it works. But I also want to start doing acrylic nails. I have watched videos on how to do it and it looks hard because it sets fast, unlike polygel. It will not set unless you cure it under a lamp. And the monomer also, I have heard it smells bad and it might give you headaches. But still I want to try using it. I might buy an acrylic set soon, so stay tuned for that. After all of my nails are done, I'm gonna encapsulate all of them with clear polygel. And then I'm using the alcohol to remove the sticky layer on all of my nails and then shape it using my file. After that, adding a layer of top coat. And then a second layer. lastly, cuticle oil. This is actually my first time doing French tip nails, and I really like how it turned out. It is a learning process because I might do this design again but with different colors. But yeah, I hope you also like how it looks. Please give this a thumbs up, leave a comment on what you think, and I'll see you on the next video.